Today I stand in front of you as a proud and legitimate, democratically and constitutionally elected acting president of the Movement for Democratic Change. I would like to thank you very much because of the unconditional love you continue to give to me all the time. Thank you very much for my We will not be silenced by violence or threats of violence. Personally, I will not stop fighting for the emancipation of women. We who are gathered here collectively will always stand and be guided by the founding values, ethos, principles, character, and culture of the MDC. We will not stand with those who have opted to use violence, defy the Constitution, discriminate, and go against the core values of the MDC.